Allah, bira. Allah.
Again, number 10 off the board, gets the foul. Foul number 13. That is third person of first team foul.
Nagkagubot oy, nagkagubot.
Number 19 of 2 points.
Dito ka sa kabila. Diyan ka lang ka mga sandal.
Number 2. Relay dito pero ilang inahabol. Side on number 4. So number 19 off the board by goal. 2 points. Huli again from Titan. To number 10 for 3. No goal. Number 47. Right. That's the foul.
Nagkagubot, tama bulang naglalaro.
Foul number 28. That's getting good.
Ha?
Number 19.
Ha?
To number 11. Medyo wala pa. Number 11. Double team. 40 seconds to shoot. 4 shot. No go. Pero kanina pa rin. Number 28. Jimenez. To number 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot. Derecho. Number 7. Tapi lang kawal dito na tayo. Number 28. Sagat kay number 19. Number 19. Number 19 pasa dito. Silan kay number 4. To number 28. To number 19 again. 14 seconds. To number 11. Medyo mahina. Rebound kay number 47. 47. To number 13. Number 13. Number 10. First shot, no go. Second shot, ang batang na makuha nyo. Ng Wolf. Wolf, jersey number 16. Direkta! Pasada! Pasada! Tuhan, Wolf ulit, Pinoy. Kahulan number 19. Number 19 again. Pero ulit, Pinoy, number 18. Foul. 2 points. Yellow. Sangan dito. Kaya number 24, nagbuhan. Huli dito number 23. Jump ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 1 to us. Basket is good. Officer score 9-7 and favor of Wolf. Number 30. So number 23. Fading in. Medyo malakas pero not take the ball. Number 23 again. Number 23. Foul. Una na naman ang Wolves. Number 19. Number 11 gets the foul. Sabi nga niya, sagat niya number 23, number 23. Got it by number 24. Number 23. Out of foul. Number 23. Bobota. So number 30, Pomege. Sabi nga, makuha dito number 23. Grabe nga ito nila kanila. Tiran, nulo, tarang ko. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 34. 5 seconds. Shot clock na lang maririnig. And a first one. Huli naman. Off the board. Gets the foul. 8. Number 23. Nandiyan na wala. Sagad dito. Kay number 30. Number 30. Dito na lang. Gets the foul. Oh, number 30 again. Jersey number 30. Number 03. Nakuha na number 15. To number 12. To number 30 again. Medyo malakas. 40 seconds. That's very good. Lamang na ang Titan. Ten seconds to shoot.